In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Seamless.ai for free. So if you want to do that, you just need to click the first link in the description and then you will be on this page. I just want to let you know that if you use the link in the description, you might have some extra free credits. So once you are on this page, all you need to do is to go here at the top right of your screen and you click on join free. Then we need to give some informations like our name, job title, company, email, and so on. And then we click on agree and continue. Now what we need to do is to verify our account with our phone number, and then we click on send confirmation code. All right, so I've just received the code on my phone, and then I click on verify account. Now here, if you want, you can install the Seamless Chrome extension. And if you want to see how to use it, I've made a complete video on it. So for that, you just need to click on the top right of the screen. But for now, I don't care. And I click on skip for now. All right, so as you can see, I have access to Seamless. On the left part of my screen, you see that I have access to all the features of Seamless. And the one I want to show you for this tutorial is how to find leads using Seamless. So for that, you just need to go here and click on search. And here you go here in contacts, search. On this page, you see here that we have some features that we can use. And here in the middle of my screen, you will see the results of my search. So let's say that I want to target a specific job title. So let's say that I want to target people who are head of sales. So here I click on include. Then let's say that I want to target people based in the US. So for that, I use the filter location. And then here I just need to write United States. Perfect. I click on include. Now let's target a specific headcount in the company. So for that, I use employee size, and here you can select the headcounts in a company. So for example, let's say that we want to target companies with a headcount between 500 to 1,000 people. So we click here on include. And now once you are happy with your search, all you need to do is to go here and click on search. Now you see here that we have the number of results for the search. So we have more than 37,000 people. And here you see that we have the name, job title, company name. And if I scroll, you see that we have some more information, for example, the industries, website, and so on. Now, if you want to export some leads and get their informations, like their emails and phone number, all you need to do is to select some leads, for example, like this. Or if you want to select the whole page, you just need to click on this box. And here you see that all leads are selected. For this tutorial, I will select just a few leads. And then here, all I need to do is to click here on Find Selected. So I do that. And now you see here that I have their contact informations like email and phone number. Now, if you want to export these people into a CSV file, I strongly recommend you to save your leads into a list. So for that, you click here and then you click on Add Selected to List. Then what we need to do is to create a lead list. So for that, we need to give a name for this list, and I will use the filters I've used to make this search. So I target people who are head of sales in the US in a company headcount between 500 to 1,000 people. Then I click on create list, and then all I need to do is to select my new list. So this one, and I click on save. Now the next step is to go here in contacts, then contact list. And here you see the list that I've just created. So I click on it. And then if I want to export these people, I select them all. Then I click here on more. And now all I need to do is to click on download selected. So we have this pop-up, and here in download type, I recommend you to use raw to get all the informations of our leads. So I select raw and then I click on download. And now here you see that I have my list of leads with the first name, last name, job title, and of course their website, email, and phone number somewhere. Yeah, phone number is here, so that's perfect. All right, so now that you know how to create your free account on Seamless.ai, I want to show you a good alternative. So LinkedIn Sales Navigator is actually a good option if you want to build your list of leads. So here you see, for example, that we have all the filters that we can use to find decision makers. For example, here I can say that I want to target people who are head of sales. Then let's say that I want people based in the US. So I click here on United States. And here in company headcount, let's say that we want between 500 to 1,000 people. So with these three filters, I have almost 700 results. And here you see our results. So we have head of sales, head of sales, head of sales. So that's exactly what we want. Now, if you want to export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, unfortunately, you can't do that natively. And that's why I recommend you GiveMeLeads. So if you want to try GiveMeLeads, you have a link in the description. Then all you need to do is to create your account and install the Chrome extension. And then you will get a button like this one, Extract Leads. So once you are happy with your search and you want to export your leads, all you need to do is to click here on Extract Leads, and then you will be redirected to your GiveMeLeads account. Now here you can give the number of leads you want to export. So let's say 100. Then here you have the option to have the verified emails of your leads. So let's say that I want the emails of my leads, and then I click on Export Leads, and my export will be running. So here running, perfect. And now I just need to wait a little bit. All right, so my export is done. And now if I want to see my list of leads, I just need to click here on download CSV. And here is my list of 100 leads, which is perfect. And on top, I have all the informations I need to reach out to these people, like the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL, and of course, the verified emails of my leads. So by using a LinkedIn Sales Navigator and GiveMeLeads, you can easily build your list of leads with, of course, the verified emails of your leads, and you will be able to export more leads at a better price with GiveMeLeads compared to Seamless.ai. So if you want to try for free GiveMeLeads, you have a link in the description. And now if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find leads, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.